Hi, Paul Keeley from EkoBuilt, and welcome to another home, a home that actually heals. You know that most homes today are unknowingly designed to work against people living inside them. In here, that's not the case. This house brings in clean, fresh air, filtered 24/7. So many of us feel foggy in the morning, even after 8 hours sleep. But often it's not about the sleep, it's about the air. This house eliminates that chronic low-grade stress. From inconsistent temperatures to bad air to background noise, your nervous system finally gets to relax. So we spend a third of our lives in bedrooms, yet most of them are full of synthetic materials, off-gassing chemicals, and uneven temperatures. Here it's all natural and non-toxic. No more cold zones, no more mold behind the drywall, all just about consistent comfort and temperature. What makes all of this possible is the Passive House envelope. It's airtight, so no leaks, and it's breathable, so moisture never builds up. And it's optimized for your climate. Whether you're in an area that has freezing cold winters, or hot, humid summers, or wildfire-prone areas. Triple pane, passive certified windows are part of the system. They regulate temperature and sound. You can stand right next to these windows in the middle of January without feeling any drafts or temperature swings, just here to enjoy the view outside. Even in the bathroom, everything is ventilated through a centralized, balanced fresh air system. No negative pressures, no random exhaust vents pulling in polluted air from the outside. This home chooses the air it breathes, so your lungs don't have to pay the price. This house was built for people that care about their health, their energy, and their peace of mind. It's not luxury, it's just good building science, finally catching up to what the body needs. So if you're building a new home, don't just ask, how big is the kitchen? Ask, how will this home care for my family, my body, and my future? Because this is what a house should feel like. Thanks for joining us.